Transferring cryptocurrency from a certain investment platform to a bank account is a straightforward and quick process. To begin, open the platform's app and log in to your account. Navigate to the cryptocurrency section and select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer to your bank account. Click on it. Then select the Sell option. Enter the amount you want to sell and review the details before submitting the transaction. Once the cryptocurrency is sold, you can transfer the funds to your bank account. To do so, click on the profile icon and select the menu option. Then choose Transfer and Transfer Money. Select the account where your money is available. Then choose the bank account you want to transfer the funds to, either an already linked account or a new one by clicking Add Account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the details and click Transfer to complete the transaction, and the money will be transferred to your bank account.